In this video, I'm going to go over how you can use an if statement with multiple and statements within it. To do that, I've got some sample data here, and I want to look at, let's say, age and sex, because this should give us enough options to work with. So first I want to see what we're dealing with. We will group by age and sex, and hit run. We can see that looks like we've got males and females, and ages range from 17 up to 90. Now that I know that, we can go ahead and get this started. So let's call this age sex bucket. And we want to say if the age is greater than or equal to 17 and age is less than or equal to, let's say, less than 37, and sex equals female, then we will call this bucket female 17 to 37. Now, instead of just finishing with this with an else statement and then getting to end if, we can actually go on with else if, and we will want to copy paste this 2 more times. So this is going to get up to a 37-year-old. So now we want up to just shy of a 37-year-old. Now we'll change this to 37 to 57, still female, 37 to 57. And this next bucket will be 57. And let's make this all the way up. And white space does not matter, so we'll just keep everything in line. We will call this 57 plus. And now let's do the same for male. Copy paste these 3. We will make sure these criteria show same. Change this to an M. And so now we have if any of these options happen, give this value, else let's give null if for some reason it doesn't fit in that option. And we will end with an end if. We have an error here, which is an invalid type operator. This is because our age is not an integer, and we are pretending it's an integer in this formula. So we will go ahead and change this to an integer. And now when we hit run, we can see the output buckets are male and female in the various ages. So the way this works is in this if statement, you simply just have to combine multiple statements with an and in between. This is one qualifier, is your age greater than or equal to 17? And second qualifier, is your age less than 37? And is your sex female? If all 3 of those are true, then you will get this value. However, if it is not true, you'll go on to the next statement. Are all of these true? Then you get this value, and so on and so forth. And if you get to this last statement and it's still not true, that is the only instance when you will end with a null. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you in the next one.